everyone, and thank you for joining me for another episode of Persephone's Pantry. So today I believe is episode number 10 up on Persephone's Pantry. So I just want to thank you so much for all of your support so far. And if this is your first taste of Persephone's Pantry, then you are in for a treat with this recipe. So today I'm going to show you how to make my black bean dip. This is a really, really delicious dip. You can use it in similar ways that you'd use hummus, or you can use it in burritos or tacos. It's pretty versatile. And I gotta tell you, I much prefer it to hummus. I love hummus, but this just has a little something. So yeah, let's get started. So I've started off by rinsing off my black beans. So I've just got 1 tin of black beans here, about 400 grams, which I've just rinsed, and they are ready to go in the blender. So I'm just using my Maggi mix. Here you can use a Thermomix or any other type of processor. So I'm just gonna pop these in like that. And the other great thing about this is it's just really pantry ingredients that you generally have in your fridge and pantry. So just half a lemon, good squeeze. And then 2 cloves of garlic and about half a teaspoon of sweet paprika, a little bit of pepper, and a good grind of some salt. And then I'm going to just whiz this up for a couple of minutes, and then I will add some olive oil as I go. So I've just stopped it to scrape down the sides, and then I'm going to add another good glug of oil just to make sure it binds nicely. Should be good. And then we will blitz it for another 20 seconds or so. Okay, so I've just given it a little try, and I'm gonna add a little bit more lemon juice. And it also needs a bit more salt. And then I'll just blitz it up again for another couple of seconds. Everything's fine. Okay, so we have our bean dip all ready to go, and it is tasting perfect. And now I'm just going to serve it in this dish. And I've served it with some crudités, so some cucumber and carrot and corn chips, and I just use it as a dip. But you can, like I said before, you can put it in a burrito or serve it in like a Mexican kind of Buddha bowl, or kind of just eat it like this. That's all from me. Thanks so much for watching, and thanks for subscribing. If you haven't already done so, please get onto that. It means a lot. And yeah, comment below if there's anything you'd like to see me do, or if you just like this, comment how awesome it was. All right, thanks a lot, guys. See you next time. Bye.